I cannot tarry too much. Pero nanalo ako dito. Sa lahat ng OFW, nag-landslide ako. But what is really very surprising is that hindi ninyo ako kilala. Ngayon na lang, nung tumakbo kami, I was the only candidate who was not a national figure. From small time lang yung aking Davao sa kanto lang. Pero wala akong partido at wala akong meron pero kakaunti yung pera na binigay para sa akin. And even in the ratings, hanggang 3-4 lang ako. So I was not really